Officially, Ferrari does not manufacture a motorhome model under its own name, much less one with the name 2025 Ferrari Roma Motorhome on it. As a result, there is no conventional external design for a non-existent product. However, we may use important components from the Ferrari Roma design to create a larger, more useful shape if we envision what a motorhome based on its design would look like. Inspired by vintage Grand Tourers, the Ferrari Roma is renowned for its streamlined, beautiful, and clean look. An inspired motorhome will likely steer clear of two traditional boxy designs in favor of a comparatively low and aerodynamic appearance given the vehicle's size. A distinctive design feature for the motorhome's front might be the adaptation of the Roma's recognizable narrow, split horizontal LED headlamps. The elegant yet basic grille can also be kept. A more dynamic and less enormous appearance may be achieved by translating the Roma body's gentle, flowing curves to the motorhome sides. Ferrari is known for its sophisticated and elegant color scheme, which includes dark blue, different degrees of gray, and more mature red. The exterior's use of premium materials may be complemented by faint metallic elements or a hint of carbon fiber. Wheels with a sleek, contemporary design that preserve Ferrari's athletic aesthetic while maybe being proportionate in size to the motorhome's body. A clean visual impression is produced by the big side windows, which are angled to match the body lines. The motorhome's taillight design may have been influenced by the distinctive, understated, dual LED taillights of the Roma. If operationally feasible, an integrated active spoiler may also be a fun addition. La Nuova Dolce Vita is the design philosophy. The interior will be as smart, simple, and exquisite as Rome, with a focus on graceful simplicity. Metallic coatings, carbon fiber, Alcantara, and premium leather, Connolly or Frau, will be used extensively. Spacious, ergonomic seating spaces that can include movable seats. Undiscovered kitchen and facilities in order to preserve the minimalist look. Functional features like the kitchenette, sink, and storage will be made to blend in smoothly and be concealed when not in use. A cutting-edge infotainment system featuring a big touchscreen, an easy-to-use interface, a high-end audio system, and full connectivity. Personalized ambient lighting to establish various ambiances based on requirements. Details of the signature Ferrari design the use of recognizable Ferrari colors, eye-catching stitching, and maybe a discreet prancing horse emblem. If there is a bespoke project or concept RV based on the Ferrari Roma, we can make educated guesses regarding the potential engine utilized. The Ferrari Roma has a strong engine and is a 2+2 Grand Tourer. With a maximum power of 620 PS, 456 kilowatts, at 5,750 to 7,500 RPM and a maximum torque of 760 Nm from 3,000 to 5,750 RPM. The V8 90° twin-turbocharged engine has a 3.9-liter, 3,855 cubic centimeters capacity and is equipped with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission and rear-wheel drive, RWD.